I'm obsessed with this new wavy oval shape from PrintsWell, so I'm going to show you how to order a die cut card with them. First and foremost, when you're in their system, if you want to download any of your die templates, just go into Need Help, Services, Die Cut Cards. It'll show you everything that is available. These are available in all the standard sizes, and then these are available in some select sizes. You can download their die cut templates right here, select by the size, and then if you need like the gift tags or wine tags, those are in here. Their template downloads are available for Illustrator, InDesign, PNG, and PDF. So I just use the Illustrator ones, and you just select the one that you want, which is your wavy oval. So here's what's going to open up, and what I would recommend doing is creating a second layer here in Illustrator to put your artwork on so that you can always see this template if you need it. You can always delete it really easily at the end once you're done and ready to print. The main thing is that this dotted line is going to be the cut line and the green is your safe line, but you still want your designs to go all the way to the edge of the full rectangle bleed, that full kind of opaque gray portion here. So that's how we think about using these templates. However, once you get familiar with them, you may not need to use them, and I don't really use them too much. So I'm just going to grab the shape of the wavy oval. If you don't want to download the templates every time, I also have them in our library, the Stationery Creative Cloud Library. So I just grabbed the shape here when I was designing this file, and now it is ready. Before we print, we have to do a couple things. We have to outline all of our text. So if you go up to select an object, you can select all your text objects. I set up a keyboard shortcut, Control-T, that selects all of them. You'll right-click on those text objects and click Create Outlines. That's going to set your text so it won't be editable anymore. This is exactly the right time to save a new file that is print ready. The last thing we want to do is delete that template. So if you still have it on a different layer, if you have it on the same layer, make sure you delete it. And then we will release any clipping masks as well. So I wanted to see what this would look like finally printed, but I don't want to accidentally print that shape on here. So we actually want to print a rectangle and not print that shape, because what we're going to upload to PrintsWell's internal system is a final rectangle. And I'm realizing this one doesn't go fully to the bleed, so I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, and that shouldn't affect how it falls within the wavy oval design. Now I'll save this as a PDF. We'll use both of our artboards since it's front and back. You can save them separately or as a double-sided 2-page PDF. So from Illustrator default, I'm always going to uncheck Preserve Illustrator Editing Capabilities, and then make sure our document bleed settings have 0.125-inch bleeds. PrintsWell requires these. And then our file is ready to go. Now we'll upload it to our PrintsWell portal. And I'm so excited to show you their new ordering portal for die cut cards. If you've never used PrintsWell, let me just show you a small sampling of everything that they can do. It's so much, and you can get $25 off your first order if you use my link. We'll start with flat card, and this is an A7 5x7 size. It can get confusing. You're not going to select the die cuts until the next page. And then we'll select our paper. The second one, 120 eggshell ultra white, is my house stuck. I absolutely love it. And since we are printing on the back, we'll just put yes printing on the front and the back. Select our quantity, and then here's their preview system, which is really, really helpful. If you're new to PrintsWell, you're gonna love this. If you're not, you might see it looking a little different than it used to look. You can either upload a 2-page PDF with front and back, or you can upload 2 different ones for the front and back. So we saved ours as a 2-page one, so I'll just upload that. And then I'm going to move my face out of the way, because right here where it says die cut shape, you'll see all of the different shapes that are available for the size you've selected. If you're not seeing anything, it might be because you selected a size that doesn't have any die cut shapes available. So make sure before you order anything or plan anything, you have checked to make sure that that die cut is available in the size that you want it. Okay, so see how this preview is showing us the front and the back of our card. It looks so good. Happy New Year. Happy New Year on the back. I mean, this is so cute even as is without the die cut shape, but we can go in and select our wavy oval. You also could try out a bunch of different die cut shapes and see which ones you like best. I just am obsessed with this wavy oval, and I can't wait to order it. Here you can also add hole drilling or angled corners. You can't do that when you've selected like a wavy oval, but if you selected a rectangle, you could do angled corners there too. And I love this preview because you can just make sure you uploaded the right files, you did the front and back, or if you have a folded card, it shows you that as well. Now on this section, I'm going to be able to see my envelopes. I'm just not going to order any envelopes at this time. I have some other videos where we go into that if you're interested, and then I'm ready to add this to cart. And I can't wait to show you what this looks like when we get it. I'm going to put a picture on screen here. You're going to use that wavy oval shape. It's one of their brand new ones. They also have so many other gorgeous shapes that you can use, and these are all standard. You saw the pricing there. It's only like $6 to add this to 10 cards, so it's very, very reasonably priced, and they're so beautiful and add such a special touch. If you've never used PrintsWell before, definitely check them out. I have a whole playlist for them here on YouTube, and you can get $25 off your first order if you use my link. Thanks, everyone.